Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the area safe and accessible. Park level, set the brake, and disconnect the negative battery to avoid electrical shorts. Next, drain the engine oil into a pan so you won't spill when removing the housing. This prevents contamination. Remove the engine cover and the intake duct that blocks access. You need clear sight and room to work. Keep the new housing and gasket nearby so once the old unit is out, you can proceed without delay. You'll remove the oil filter cap and let residual oil drain into your pan while holding a rag to catch splashes. This keeps the bay clean. Then unbolt the housing mounts using the correct 13 mm and 10 mm sockets, and gently unplug any oil pressure or temperature sensors, plus the crankcase vent hoses to avoid breakage. Pull the housing and old gasket free, take out the filter, and thoroughly clean the mounting surface. Any debris, you install the new gasket and housing, hand thread all bolts so the gasket seats evenly, then torque to the factory spec to avoid warping. Reconnect sensors and hoses, fit a new oil filter, and refill the engine with the specified oil volume and grade. Make sure the level sits at the full mark. Start the engine, let it run briefly, and check for leaks. Once cooled, retorque fasteners. If you see persistent leaks, recheck gasket seating and bolt torque as the first troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.